Hey guys, so this is 1303 Pogy Lane in Saltgrass Landing. Look how cute. You're here in this little cul-de-sac here on the common area in front. The sun is setting soon. Really cute neighborhood for sure. We are in Winnabow, North Carolina. And we are just about 15 minutes from Southport and about 15 minutes from Leland. So this is a prime location. This is the Galen plan by DR Horton. And let's go take a look. So the Galen offers this nice wide foyer area that you come in through the front door, and you have this office space / flex room through French doors. Very nice space in there that we'll get to in just a minute. And you come by this powder room for guests. All the bedrooms in the Galen plan are upstairs. And you come into this gigantic living space. Look how big this is. This is a living space and dining space combined, but you have so much room in the Galen plan on this primary level. Look how much room you have. The stairs are tucked away over here to the right, and you have plenty of room for good sized furniture in the living room and a good sized dining table right around here. This is rolled vinyl flooring, and you have the nice white cabinets, the granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and you've got that nice big pantry over there. But I want to get outside into this backyard before the sun goes down. So look at this backyard, you guys. There is a pond over here. They're probably going to dress this up and it's going to look a little bit better than that eventually. But you are allowed privacy fences in this neighborhood. Some of the neighborhoods don't allow privacy. You have to do the black aluminum fences. But here, you are allowed fencing, privacy fencing. You've got this nice patio back here, and you certainly could extend your patio if you wanted to. Lots you could do in this gigantic backyard. These two-story plans are a smaller footprint, so you usually get a larger backyard as a result because the first floor doesn't span the lot like a ranch plan does. But the houses do come with gutters. That's fantastic. This particular plan does not have a covered porch, but you certainly could get an awning or get something like a gazebo to create some shade back there and a covered porch. So back inside, let's take a closer look at this kitchen. We can get you the crown molding that goes above, maybe even a backsplash. We will certainly ask for a refrigerator, absolutely, for them to include that, maybe even a washer and dryer. The Galen plan does have a great size pantry. Take a look at that. Isn't that fantastic? Good size kitchen for sure. You've got your dishwasher here next to the sink in the island. And then, is this a trash pullout? No, that's just a normal cabinet. You've got your single sink bowl in the island. Isn't this great? Okay, let's take a look down here at these closets. So you have this huge Costco closet, like I like to call it. And then through here, you have access to your 2-car garage. Let's get these lights on. So plenty of space in this 2-car garage. You've got your garage door opener, your electrical panel, and your water heater tucked away over there in this garage. DR Horton does not paint their garages. They leave it just like this, but it's easy to come in and just paint these and make these look a little snazzier if you wanted to. Across the hall, you have the powder room. That's plenty big for guests. You can make this look really pretty. And then up front here, again, you have this office area through these French doors. As you can imagine, it's got plenty of natural light for an office. This could eventually be the playroom as well. Okay, let's go upstairs and take a look at the bedrooms. The Galen plan has some awesome bedroom sizes, and they are all upstairs. So let's go take a look. Okay, so you come up into this super open area. It's not crowded at all as you come up the stairs, and you have all 4 bedrooms on this level. Let's dive over here to the left into the primary suite. Come on in and look at this gigantic room, you guys. Look, it is huge. When I said the room sizes were great, I meant it. Look how big this room is. You could fit the crib, a king-size bed, some nightstands, a dresser, and then some in this room. No worries. Look at the sun setting. Oh, really pretty. Okay. So let's turn around. Look at this from this angle. It's so big. Oh my gosh. Okay, so you've got a massive primary suite here in the Galen, and you have a fantastic size primary bath and a great size primary closet. All the room you'll need. Lots and lots and lots of room for sure. Plenty of space. And here you've got your double sink vanity with the granite countertops. Isn't it pretty? I love it. You've got the chrome hardware, the nice crisp white cabinets, and you've got the walk-in shower, and they went ahead and put the shower door on you. Usually this is an expense you would have to take on your own, or have a shower curtain. So it's nice that they have the shower door there. You have yet another closet in here that you could use for linens, or that could be his closet, and the big closet could be your closet, Maggie. And you've got a little linen corner there, and you've got a separate water closet there. So look at that. I love it. And you have windows in your bathroom. I just love, love, love having windows in the bathroom. Yeah, you'll need window coverings, but it's nice to open up the blinds and let the natural light in. So let's go take, ooh, look at the framing. Do they always do that trim work around the doors? Have I just never noticed that? Look, and they've got the window sills as well. Huh. I don't know. I'll have to think about that. Okay, so let's go over here and take a look at the laundry room. Over here to the right, you've got this great size laundry room up on this level. These baseboards are higher than what you see in other DR Horton homes too. Usually the baseboards are smaller, but these are nice wide baseboards. Okay, let's go take a look in here. You've got another great size secondary bedroom. Really nice size. Let's check out the closet. Normal size. Sorry, it's a little dark with the sun going down. Over here, let's go check out the bedroom next to it. Another good size secondary bedroom. So either one of these bedrooms would be a good size nursery. And you have the closet over here. Continue down the hallway. Here is your 4th bedroom. So all in all, good size rooms. The secondary bedrooms seem to be all around the same size. similar size closets. These rooms have a view of that pond over there. And then over here you have the secondary bath with a double sink vanity and a tub. Always need a tub with the little ones. So that's a good thing. Very nice. And then you have a great size linen closet outside this bathroom. And then over here, to complete the tour of this floor, you have another closet that I missed. That's a great size closet for sure. Plenty of room there for storage. And then you have the pull down for access into the attic up there. So great size rooms on this level for a total of 4. So what do you think of the Galen? You guys, let me know what you think of this floor plan by DR Horton. I know there is plenty of negotiating room. I think we can get your closing costs paid for, get you a low interest rate. No problem at all. I think this is a nice community. And this home gives you a lot of space to work with. Plus you have a fantastic sized backyard that's very private. You can easily fence that in. And you have 4 bedrooms plus an office / flex room. So, in a 2-car garage. What do you think? Let me know your thoughts. Let's take another peek out here at what your neighbors look like. Really pretty. Got a police officer that lives over there. Just a really nice community. Let me know what you think. Talk to you soon. Bye.